Hello, everyone. This is Bernie Rivera from Clar8ty, and today we have a very special guest. Dr. Sandra Rose-Michael is with us. Her expertise and knowledge in bioscalar energy plays an important role in the formulation of the Reson8. That's the Quantum Charged Medallion by Clar8ty. Dr. Sandra, can you share with us and our audience what makes this medallion so effective when it comes to helping our bodies protect itself from electromagnetic frequencies and electromagnetic radiations that we're being bombarded with on a daily basis?
Yes, we'll try to explain it briefly. It's very high tech in a very low tech model as far as the Reson8 is embedded with scalar vortex energy. It's a energy enhanced medallion that's very, very functional jewelry that's wearable scalar device, but it's very high tech in the low tech model and extraordinarily effective for maintaining the integrity of the DNA, for helping maintain the integrity of the red blood cells. I mean, you notice red blood cells are this kind of donut shape as well, or it could be called a torsion field or longitudinal scalar. And but these are very, very effective, and they maintain their charge. They stay charged indefinitely as well. But we have all kinds of results that these really, really work for people. I mean, really, really work as far as helping to support optimum health, where it's helping support the body in its optimal energy. It's the energy signatures that work with the body. It's embedded with that, and it's been tested to. I mean, we have all kinds of miracles with it, but it's been very, very highly tested. In fact, one doctor out of Dallas, actually, a guru doctor, was testing everything for what would work against 5G with the 5G frequencies. And a lot of people have become more and more energy sensitive, with the electrosmog, and that's a non-ionizing radiation, whether it's your Wi-Fi or 5G, or you have your ionizing radiation from like Fukushima and around power plants and things like that. But what radiation does is it disrupts the DNA. It literally unzips the DNA. Well, this is a unified field effect that helps the body stay in integrity and stay strong no matter what you're exposed to. So he was doing all kinds of testing of different devices and shungite and all these things that were supposed to work for 5G. And he found that the Reson8, the bioscalar enhanced Reson8, was the only thing that he found that actually really, really worked
Fascinating.
for 5G.
Yeah. And I know, especially with the changing times, we are spending more and more time surrounded by frequencies at close proximity, whether it's the phone in our pockets, whether it's our tablets, our laptops. And now what's more concerning is children are spending more time in front of their laptops, whether it's homeschooling or whether it's, just the regular daily laptop take. It's increasing for these kids. There's a pretty big concern for children, correct?
That's absolutely true. And we have a lot of people very excited and talking about not wanting to send their children back to school or to be on school on the computer without their Reson8 medallions and wearing those, because they are so effective, again, at protecting your health so you stay strong. People use them also just for, helping, supports the brain function, that clarity. It's anti-inflammatory, like the Calibrate, and you want the kids Calibrate for sure. You got to keep them healthy. They need all the help they can get. So this is an easy way to really support their health with what could be called an infinity wave, where it just is self-regenerating, self-healing, self-perpetuating fields that beyond relative time and space. So it maintains that charge indefinitely and helps the body be supported in being self-healing. where the body has the energy to heal and function more and more optimally, no matter what we're exposed to in this environment. Just want to stay strong. You want your DNA, your red blood cells to stay strong, enhance your immune function. That is some of our research as well. And stay super healthy. People use these for, all kinds of things, for pain and pain relief. Pass them around instead of aspirin.
Yeah.
People like to use them on their eyes, especially after being on a computer, instead of cucumbers, put those on your eyes. And those are really, really beneficial as well.
I've heard a lot of good feedback from people doing exactly that. So you are very on track with that feedback. So thank you so much for sharing. And I'm glad you brought up 5G and just all this stuff, because our customers on a regular basis, they share their concern about all the frequency that they're being bombarded with, and it's not going away anytime soon. It just seems like it's only going to get worse. So it's in everybody's best interest to think about ways to fortify our bodies, like you said, make sure we're in optimal health, so it's fighting off all of these frequencies that are just every day bombarding us. So I can't thank you enough for sharing. Our audience thanks you for sharing and enlightening us with that information, because it's so hard to get straight facts on this particular topic from anybody. Everybody knows it's damaging us, but nobody knows how much. Nobody wants to tell us how much. And at least now we've got some information on what we can be doing proactively to make sure we're staying strong against this threat. So thank you, Dr. Sandra.
Thank you. And it's really extraordinarily beneficial in that it's literally transmuting detrimental or destructive field effects into what could be called like electrical precursors for the body, bioscalar energy. It's energy that the body relates to and can use. But they're very, very useful also in that I'm sure you've enjoyed doing wine tastings before and after, applying the medallion to the wine or to water, because it'll restructure water. It helps it be more hydrating because it reduces the surface tension. And all it takes is maybe 30 to 60 seconds of putting the medallion to the glass or on the water bottle, or 30 to 60 seconds, and you can taste the difference. It makes it smoother and more hydrating. And a lot of disease aging is just simply dehydration. So very, very important.
That's fascinating. Absolutely fascinating. And to learn more about what Sandra was saying in terms of the benefits and the different ways you can apply the Reson8, please visit our website at Clar8ty.com. And then in the list of products, just select Reson8, and we've got loads of information on the Reson8, even another video by Dr. Sandra on that page. So by all means, please do your own research and learn what's best for you and your family. And we hope this information has helped you make that informed decision. Yeah. Thank you, Dr. Sandra.
Thank you. I did want to mention too, you mentioned research. And of course, our Harvard, Stanford biophysicist, Dr. Glenn Ryan, he did do research, actual DNA research with the Reson8, and found that it was enhancing the electrical conductivity, so the coherence and the cell signaling capability of the DNA, creating that coherence with the DNA, was enhanced by 28%. So high statistic significance of enhancing, actual lab research on documented improvement to DNA function using the medallion.
That's good to know. That's good for our audience to know. I've met Dr. Glenn Ryan, and he is a very reputable doctor, and his research means a lot to this product. So I'm glad you brought that up, Dr. Sandra.
Yeah, wouldn't have been fair not to mention him.
Yeah, he's part of the team.
Talking about resonant energy.
That is so true. All right. Thank you, Dr. Sandra, and our audience thanks you.
Thank you.
All right. Take care, everybody.